What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Shooting a Shave. I've been asked to do another challenge video. This challenge video is going to involve me using a soap, a Croap, and a cream. So the soap I'm going to go with tonight is going to be Arko. The Croap is going to be Cella. And the cream here is going to be Taylor of Old Bond Street Luxury. The two people who reached out and asked me to do the shave are DE Shave Talk with Kit and Brian The Floridian. I will link their channels in the description below. So the brush I'm going to use tonight is my Yaqi Butterscotch handle here. And I'm going to go with the Dovo Classic here. So while I was making this video, I forgot to do some tags of my own. My tags are going to be Jeffrey Smith, Dartmouth Shaving, Gnomeo Shaves, and Suds and Steel. Alright, let's get this brush wet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lather up the soap first. It's been a while since I've used Arko. I like this stuff. Some people like it, some people hate it. But I've always enjoyed using it. Pretty good performer. Alright, I'm going to go with that. And rinse my hands off real quick. We'll go the rest of the way in the bowl here. So I've got the Cella and I've got the Taylor of Old Bond Street mashed into the bowl here. Get a little water in here. Pardon the running water, it'll just be for a second. And sorry about the bowl clanking. Try to keep that to a minimum. A little water in there. So the soap I'm smelling the most right now is the Cella. I'm not really getting much of the Taylor of Old Bond Street or the Arko in there. Yeah, definitely the Cella I'm smelling the most. And it's kind of okay with all those scents mixed together. Not the best smell, but... Okay. I'm good to go there. So how's everybody doing? Hope you are all well. Hope everybody's having good shaves and a good week. Good lather here, man. Get a little water in there. So this soap should be very, very slick because of all three soaps that I'm using. You got the Cella and the Arko and the Taylor of Old Bond Street, so should be a pretty good shave. 3 good soaps. Or 3 good performers, I should say. Okay, we're gonna go with that. All right. I'm gonna go first pass here. So yep, not disappointed. Very, very slick. Might have to send this razor out to get a new edge on it pretty soon. It's a little tuggy. Rinse up real quick. Just a little tuggy. Ridiculous. Excuse me, ridiculous residual slickness. And I got enough soap to last me for 3 or 4 shaves. So the weather here for the last couple of days has been pretty bad. We've had some ice storms, some snow. I spent the last couple of nights at my parents' house because the roads are so bad that I couldn't drive home. So I ended up camping out at my parents' house, which is only about 5 minutes from where I work. I live about a half hour from my job. And my parents' house is a lot closer, so they were kind enough to let me stay there for the night. And my wife's job is client-based, so all her clients canceled, and she was home with the kids. It was tough. I missed everybody. All right, second pass here. Definitely gonna need a new edge on this blade. Little tuggy. Feels a little harsh, but that's an easy fix. All right. Now I'm starting to smell a little bit of the Taylor of Old Bond Street coming through. Lather up here for the touch-up and final pass. Oh, just a little water in there. And that's good. All right, here we go for the cleanup. So I got a meetup coming up in March for East Coast Sweat Shavers. This is going to be the first meetup I've ever been to. Hold on one second. I'm being summoned. Hold on, babe. I'll be right down. Sorry about that. So as I was saying, got a meetup coming up. This is my first meetup. I am really excited to go to it. Might have got my ear there. The meetup is only about an hour from the house. It's in New Jersey, and I'm just outside of Philadelphia, so like I said before, really looking forward to going to this meetup. You rinse up here real quick. Did I get myself? Nah. Felt like I did, but I didn't. No blood. Didn't get myself. Alright, good shave. I'm going to clean up the sink, clean up my gear, and I'll see you guys for post-shave. So for post-shave tonight, I'm going to be using Gilette here. Good healthy dose. Post-shave balm tonight is going to be Cella. Very nice shave tonight. I'm definitely going to need a new edge on the razor. It was a little tuggy, but I'm happy with the shave. Got me nice and close. I want to say a thank you to Brian and Kit for inviting me to do this shave. Thank you for including me. And we're going to do a real quick recap of what I used tonight. Went with the Dovo for the razor. Brush tonight was the Yaqi Butterscotch handle brush here. For the Croap, I went with Cella. And for the soap, I went with Taylor of Old Bond Street Luxury. And for the soap, went with Arko. Thanks again, guys, for inviting me to do this challenge. I really appreciate it. And everyone else, have a great week. See you again soon for another shave. Take care.